snowing in April 27th. We got snow in Chicago. Had to escape. Started feeling like an asshole again. You know how veterans get in those moods? You don't even know why the hell you're pissed off. The fuse is super short. Started yelling at my kids for stupid stuff. I messed with the screen. It's not even a hard fix. You know, just get snappy. So, when I get in those situations, I think the best remedy is to get the fuck out of there. Get into the woods, do a little hike, nothing big, just clears your head. You see how slow nature gets, and it just kind of calms you. So I think that's the biggest thing with vets. I mean, anyone in particularly. You feel like you're losing control. You love the ones that are around you. You don't want to do something stupid. You don't want them to feel bad. You don't even want to see a single tear. Get out, clear your head, come back a new man, reset. It's my only advice.